This is my review of this shower head with a skin and hair protector filter. It's a very nice shower head. I love it in our bathroom. The only issue I have it is when one is on, the other will leak a little bit. After I think 3 months of having it, it started doing that. You're able to change which shower head is being used, and you can also have both of them being used. But like I said, when one is on, the other one will leak a little bit, but it's not so much of an issue. It connects really easy to your shower, and you're able to take that off there. It's got a very good pressure on it, on both of them. And I just overall love the shower head in the shower. It's better than the one our apartment came with. I would give it a 10 out of 10.